Over the course of my long life, I have come to believe that we are bound forever to those with whom we share blood. And while we may not choose our family, that bond can be our greatest strength, or our deepest regret. This unfortunate truth has haunted me for as long as I can recall.
I can feel your heart hanging in the air.
We stick together as one.
I'm counting
Always.
every step
And forever.
as you climb the stairs. It's
1,000 years of family.
I see it in your closed eyes turning in.
And I'm not the prince of the quarter, friend. I'm the king!
I am ruthless and callous and vicious when it comes to defending my family.
Coming like a hurricane, I take it in real slow.
If something has happened to my sister, or if something is about to happen to another member of my family, this city and everyone in it will be...
To me, the very definition of the word broken suggests that something can be fixed.
Ellen's back, isn't she?
Stop it! Klaus, I have sacrificed everything for you, for hope. I understand that you are trying to protect her, but that is not what she needs right now.
I'm her father. I decide what she needs and what she doesn't.
Do you? Because while you were gone, I was here with Haley.
When you were not awake.
Every time I look at Hope, I see the child of mine that I never got raised. That's how I feel about her.
Much to take. The sky burns red against your skin.
Family is power, Mikaelson. Love, loyalty, that's power.
The world we know turns in the wind. Coming like a hurricane, I take it in real slow.
Mikaelson, our own parents came to despise us. Our family was ruined. We were ruined. And since then, all that you have ever wanted, all that we have ever wanted, was a family.
Though I am breaking down again.
Hope did everything we ever asked of her. The one time she acted out, it was because she missed her dad. You want to see what she does with a lifetime of missing both her parents?
My dearest Hope, I do not know how this will find you. As a child full of wonder, a teenager full of opinions, or a woman with the world at her feet, I write to tell you that I love you, and to explain that in our family's darkest hour, I was called upon to save my siblings, and so I did.
This is us. The original family. And we remain together, always, forever.
We will build a home here together. So save this girl.
Save your child.
I will not let you hurt him anymore.
Stand with me.
With me.
Fall with him.
Choose, son.
If I'm to choose a sign,
I will always choose him.
while we may not choose our family, that bond is our greatest strength.
This is not the end of the Mikaelsons. They fight for what they believe in. The warrior fights for his family.
We fight for each other.
His power. Always and forever.
Always and forever.
I don't know.
This every touch.